Hi there.
Hello. How are you doing today?
I am doing very well, thank you.
What are you looking at on your phone?
I am looking at some old photos.
Are they photos of your friends?
No, they are photos of my family.
Oh, that is wonderful.
Do you want to see them?
Yes, I would love to see your family.
Look at this picture.
Who are the people in this picture?
These are my parents.
Your parents look very happy.
Yes, this was taken on their anniversary.
How long have they been married?
They have been married for 30 years.
That is a very long time.
Yes, they love each other very much.
Where do your parents live?
They live in a small town near the mountains.
That sounds like a beautiful place.
It is very quiet and peaceful.
Are your parents retired?
My mother is retired now.
What did she do before she retired?
She was a primary school teacher.
And what about your father?
He still works. He is an engineer.
That is a very difficult job.
Yes, but he enjoys his work.
Who is this young man in the photo?
That is my older brother.
He looks very tall.
Yes, he is much taller than me.
Does he live with your parents?
No, he lives in the city.
What is his job?
He works in a bank.
Is he married?
Yes, he is married.
Does he have any children?
Yes, he has one daughter.
Oh, so you are an aunt.
Yes, my niece is 3 years old.
She must be very cute.
She is adorable and very energetic.
Do you visit them often?
I try to visit them every month.
That is very nice of you.
Do you have a big family?
No, my family is quite small.
How many people are in your family?
There are only 3 of us.
So it is just you and your parents?
Yes, I am an only child.
Do you like being an only child?
Sometimes it is a bit lonely.
But you get all the attention from your parents.
That is true. They spoil me a little.
Do your parents live in this city?
Yes, they live very close to my apartment.
You are lucky to be so close to them.
I know. We have dinner together every Sunday.
That is a wonderful family tradition. Do you have any grandparents?
My grandmother passed away last year.
I am so sorry to hear that.
Thank you. She was a great woman.
Do you have any grandparents?
Yes, both of my grandparents are alive.
Where do they live?
They live in Florida.
The weather in Florida is very warm.
Yes, it is perfect for older people.
Do you visit them in the summer?
Yes, I fly there every August.
That sounds like a great vacation. Do you have any aunts or uncles?
I have 2 aunts and 1 uncle.
Do they have children?
Yes, I have 5 cousins in total.
5 cousins. That's a lot.
Yes, our family gatherings are very loud.
Do you get along well with your cousins?
Yes, we grew up together like friends.
Are they around the same age as you?
Some are older and some are younger.
It's nice to have family close your age. Do you have any cousins?
I only have 1 cousin.
Does he live near you?
No, he lives in Australia.
That is a very long way from here.
Yes, I have not seen him in 5 years.
Do you talk to him on the phone?
Yes, we use video calls to talk.
Technology is great for keeping in touch. Let me show you another photo.
Who is this cute dog?
That is our family dog, Buster.
Buster is a great name for a dog.
He's a golden retriever.
How old is he?
He's 5 years old.
He looks very playful.
He loves to fetch tennis balls.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have time for a pet right now.
Taking care of a dog is a lot of work.
Yes, you have to walk them every day.
Maybe I'll get a cat later.
Cats are much easier to take care of.
Who do you look like in your family?
I look like my mother.
Really? Let me see the picture again.
See? We have the same eyes and nose.
Yes, you really do look like her.
But I have my father's personality.
What is your father's personality like?
He is very funny and loves to tell jokes.
That means you are funny too.
I try to be. What about you?
I look exactly like my father.
Do you have the same hair color?
Yes, we both have dark brown hair.
Who is the strictest person in your family?
My mother is very strict.
Really? She made you study hard?
Yes, she always checked my homework.
That's good. She wanted you to succeed.
I know. I'm thankful for her now.
Are you married?
No, I'm single right now.
Do you want to get married in the future?
Yes, I would like to get married someday.
Do you want to have a big family?
I think I want 2 children.
A boy and a girl?
Yes, that would be perfect.
I want to have 3 kids.
3 kids will keep you very busy.
I know, but I love big families.
Family is the most important thing in life.
I completely agree with you.
Your friends come and go, but family stays.
Yes, family will always support you.
How often do you call your parents?
I call them every Tuesday and Friday,
Do you talk for a long time?
usually for about an hour.
What do you talk about?
We talk about work, the weather, and food.
Parents always want to know if you are eating well.
Yes, my mom always asks what I had for dinner.
My mom does the exact same thing.
It's their way of showing love.
Do you have a family group chat?
Yes, on WhatsApp, we share photos there.
My family sends a lot of funny videos in our chat.
It's a great way to stay connected.
Even when we are far apart,
When is the next time you will see your family?
I will see my parents this weekend.
Are you doing something special?
It's my father's birthday on Sunday.
Oh, happy birthday to him.
Thank you. We're going to a restaurant.
What kind of food does he like?
He loves Italian food.
He will enjoy the dinner for sure.
Have you bought him a gift yet?
Yes, I bought him a new watch.
That is a very nice and useful gift.
I hope he likes it.
I'm sure he will love it.
Oh, my phone is ringing.
Who is calling you?
It's my mother, speak of the devil.
You should probably answer it.
Yes, she might be worried about me.
Tell her I said hello.
I will. It was so nice talking to you today.
I really enjoyed seeing your family photos.
I will show you more next time.
I look forward to it.
I need to go and answer this call now.
No problem. Have a great conversation with her.
Thank you. Have a great time at the birthday dinner.
Thanks. I will see you next week.
See you later. Take care.
Goodbye.